Welcome to Nagas Odilicious. In today's video, we're going to see the preparation of the Deepavali Marundu. So this preparation, apart from 1 cup of ghee, requires patience. If time is the factor, you may buy from the traditional medical shops, but ensure to have this during the Diwali time. On Deepavali, after head bath, my mother gave us this Deepavali Marundu to detox our system. Now I wonder the correlation. So many sweets and pollution around Deepavali, this Marundu or the detox, herbal detox, knocks some sense into me. I'm giving the preparation for approximately 1 kilogram of the herbal detox. For one family, for one time, 50 grams is more than sufficient. So you may prepare accordingly if you want it. Or if time is the factor, as I said earlier, please do buy it from the shop. So now let us look into the preparation. So for this preparation, I'm using the quarter cup measurement. So first take quarter cup of sukku or the dried ginger. So this dried ginger has to be crushed using a mortar and pestle. So this is the uncrushed one. You can see it is dried and it can be broken easily. The advantage of crushing it in a mortar and pestle is now we have to blend it with all the other ingredients so that we get a uniform smooth texture of the herbal detox. So after crushing the quarter cup of dry ginger, put it into a bowl. The bowl which is going to contain all the other herbal concoctions. And next I am taking quarter cup of tipili. This is nothing but the root of long pepper. So in Tamil it is called as Kandan tipili. So it is the root of the long pepper, the tipili plant. So take quarter cup of tipili. And next take quarter cup of the peppercorns, milagu. And then take the arisi tipili. So this is also from the same tipili plant. This is called as arisi tipili. So quarter cup of arisi tipili, and then quarter cup of omam or ajwain as it is known in India, which is nothing but the seeds of the oregano plant. Next important herb is the cumin seeds. Take a quarter cup of the cumin seeds, seer agam as it is known in Tamil. Now to all these herbs add approximately of about 5 cups of water and soak them overnight. Next day, filter the soaked ingredients and collect the water obtained. Please don't discard this water because it is using this water that we are going to grind the entire contents into the desired consistency. And now transfer the soaked herbs into the blender. Adding water little by little, gradually grind it into the coarse consistency. In a separate pan, take quarter cup of ghee, and after the ghee melts, add the herbal puree to the frying pan. And one crux of this preparation is we have to keep on stirring it without the bottom getting stuck to the ingredients. So after 10 minutes approximately, add 3 cups of crushed jaggery and mix well till the jaggery dissolves and blends with the components in the frying pan. After 20 minutes, add 1/4 cup of ghee. Ensure that this entire process is carried out in moderate flame. Don't ever turn it on to high flame because we will not be able to keep track of the consistency. So this herbal concoction preparation takes of about 1 hour completely to prepare. So quarter cup of ghee is added intermittently at the end of every 20 minutes. So in the beginning stage we add quarter cup, after 20 minutes quarter cup, and now this is 40 minutes. So at the end of 40 minutes add quarter cup of ghee and mix the ingredients well. Ensure that you don't stop anywhere in the mid process. So keep stirring continuously. Blend well and give us a perfect herbal detox. So now we can see that they're all coming together and the ghee is starting to ooze out on the corners. But we are not supposed to stop because this takes around 1 hour. So we can observe that the ghee is oozing out in the corners. So at the end of the 60 minutes again add the remaining quarter cup, mix it well and allow to cool it for 4 to 5 hours. And after this herbal preparation is cooled, just slightly grease your palms and roll them into lemon sized balls. Align them in a plate. So this is for immediate consumption, that it's been aligned in a plate. But this entire preparation has to be stored in an airtight container, and because we've been cooking it for 1 hour, it is totally sterilized that we can, after cooling, store it in an airtight container and use it throughout the year. And yes, finally our Deepavali Marundu or the herbal detox or the Deepavali legume is ready to be consumed. Please do try it. If you get it well, let me know in the comment section. And on the day of Diwali, please do have this herbal detox positively. And not only for the day of Diwali, it is for throughout the year, because it takes care of all the headache, nausea, dizziness, lethargy, indigestion. It is able to take care of all sorts of problems. So please do try this Deepavali Marundu. For more such recipes, do check in with Naga's Odelicious channel. Hope you liked the recipe. If you got it well, let me know in the comment section. So till then, stay safe, have a happy Deepavali, and thanks for watching Naga's Odelicious.